Hey, thanks for joining us. I'm here with Dan Bishop, and this is Dan Bishop of Bishop Construction. Hey, Dan, we were just talking about kind of an overview of your company in the earlier video we did, and I know you mentioned structural, repairs and foundation work is a particular specialty, you guys.
Yes.
And I'm just wondering about that. How does the call come in? I mean, is it like somebody who's walking downstairs in their basement going, "Oh my God, my house is going to come down," and giving you a call?
Well,
like, how do these calls come in?
More often than not, we get those calls where people will just go down to the basement, and it seems like some people they'll start to notice things, like they'll start to notice a beam sagging, a floor starting to move a little bit, and then usually, boom, something gives way. There's a big crack. There's a big sound. There's something that makes them panic, and then they start looking for something.
That's pretty scary if you have a sound like that or a visual like that in your house.
But most of the time, and I just, half an hour before I got here, I just fielded another call from someone who was really nervous and excited about the fact that that's what happened to their house. Flooring people came over. They wanted to put in a new floor. Next thing you know, the flooring people saw that the floor was sagging. They went into the basement. There's a snap beam. There's a part of a block wall that's coming down.
Yeah.
And they said, "Hey, you need somebody structural in here." I got the called the people back up, and I said, "I'll be out tomorrow morning. Don't worry."
That's great.
Most of the time, people get really worried about this stuff.
Like the whole house is going to come down.
Well, they get worried, they panic, they start calling everybody and anybody.
Yeah.
That's when the problems happen, because usually things take it takes time for things to crumble and fall apart.
Yeah. Well, how does it work then when you go over? I mean, you just do a visual inspection and go,
Yeah, usually within
basically
15 minutes I have it all diagnosed. We know what to do, and it's